Hello, my name is Rahul Bradaguzar, and today I'll be talking about RouteMagic Alerts. For any last mile delivery services, communication is actually the key, not only with your customers but within your team as well. And this is where RouteMagic Alerts and RouteMagic notifications comes into place. RouteMagic by default supports the standard messages as well in the form of emails, SMS, and WhatsApp. By standard notifications, I mean the, the messages which every business needs. For example, if the invoice is invoiced, then the invoice copy is sent to the customer. If the order is delivered, then the proof of delivery is sent to your customer. Right. So this kind of standard notifications are already built-inly supported by Magic. But what if I have some custom requirements for my business? Now this is where the cool part comes in, and the custom notifications feature from Root Magic kicks in. Custom notifications enable you to create messages, create uh, your business related messages that are completely personalized for you and are supposed to cater your business. Right? For example, if I you can access those notifications from the email workflow. Here you can configure different kind of scenarios and what kind of messages should be sent and to whom they should be sent, right? So here I already have some business use cases created as the notifications. For example, uh, a message is sent when a purchase order is approved. This can be a vital element for my business if I do a lot of purchases. Low stock alert, stock replenishment, and everything. This can be very helpful when you have to send your warehouse team details about the stocks that is coming into, or details about the stock that is going to that is on a low alert, low stock alert, right? So this kind of notifications you can configure. There are plenty of use cases already down here. For example, credit limit exceeded. This email is sent to the customer when their credit limit is going to expire, is going to get exhausted. So all all the possibilities are possible here. Whatever your business demands, these custom notifications are there to cater. Now, for the demonstration purpose, we will create a new custom notification um, for a business, and we'll see how actually easy it is to set up those notifications and how they work. Okay. For the demonstration purpose, I will assume my team. uh, I'm a B2B business, and there is a warehouse team I have with me. And whenever I'm doing some purchases, I would like my warehouse team to be notified. Hey, we have got this many products, right? So they are aware of the stock and everything. Okay. So for this, what I will do whenever I'm receiving any inventory, I would like my warehouse team to be notified about the stock. Okay. So the first thing that we will do is to choose the entity on which we want alert for. So in my case, I want it on the inventory movement. Notification type for now we will keep it as email. Subject I will keep stock replenished. This is the subject of the email, and in the body, I already have some template. I will just paste it and explain it for faster demonstration. So basically, I'm adding some details about the inventory movement here, the document reference of the inventory movement, the product name, product code, the start quantity, the quantity which is added, and the end quantity of the product. Okay, I can configure this to show whatever details I want, even the custom messages. So this is where the real power lies. Okay. Now I can provide conditions when I want this to get triggered. So I want when the incoming inventory status is getting updated to received. We want to trigger this only when the inventory is received, right? So we'll keep it incoming inventory status should be received, and the transfer type should be incoming. So what I'm saying here is that hey, whenever there is an update for the incoming inventory status and the inventory status is received, that means the inventory has been received and it is an incoming type of inventory, I want this notification to get triggered. Okay. In here, I can configure the emails I want notification to go to. For now, I will just keep my email over here. And for the scheduling part, I have two options. Either I can schedule it on the timely basis. I can say every 15 minutes, every 15 minutes, just check whatever inventories are there and send me an email. Or else I can make it real time using the real time events. So for the demonstration purpose, I will use the real time events. So I will use events and last update. Whenever the status is getting updated, they should get triggered. Okay, that should be all our setup, and I will just simply click on add. And now what I would expect whenever I'm receiving an inventory, the notification and email should be sent to my email. Okay, that's about the setup. Now let's try it out. I will go into the inventory management of RouteMagic, receive address inventory. This is the place where I can add inventory. So I will add inventory for onion. Let's buy 10 quantity. Okay, and I will save and approve this. So inventory has been received. The status is received. So inventory has been. I should be expecting an email. And it seems I have already got one. So let's quickly check. So this is the email I have received 0 minutes ago. And as you can see, the title is stock replenished. The message here is what I have configured to show me the inventory movement, document reference, product details, product code, starting quantity, operational quantity, and the end quantity. Right? But you know what? This is bit ugly. This is not what I would like my team to see, right? So another cool feature of this workflows is that you can actually not only send the text messages, text notifications, but you can also send a customly developed HTML as well. So for that, I will use an existing example here for the same use case, stock replenishment. But here the difference is that instead of having a simple text, what I have here is a proper HTML. So it looks good basically, right? Here it is. All the other configuration is same, just the body and everything is changing to make it look visibly more attractive. Right? So what I will do, I will just enable this one for the demonstration purpose. Activate. And I will deactivate the one that we have created newly. Okay, I want to show how the HTML looks like. Okay, so yeah, the one with the proper HTML is now activated. Let's receive an inventory. Let's receive this time for a different product maybe. Let's check the onion. We love onions. This time we will keep quantity as 20 and 7 up. So I have received the inventory. Now I should be expecting a pretty good HTML message. And here we go. I have received the email, and this is the email. Now this time, as you can see, it's not just a simple message like this, but it's a properly pretty HTML here. So this is again one power of this notification, that you can configure pretty good emails as well. So this demonstrates how the email workflow or how the notification workflow can be set up, and you can add custom requirements, custom notifications that deal better with your business, that cater well for your business. There can be many of the use cases. Some of them are already here. I explained, if the credit note is approved, you can send one email to your team. You can send email for the monthly transaction statements. For when the invoice is created, you can send a customized notification to your customer, and pretty much everything that you can configure, that is this notification workflow is able to support that, right? So another cool feature about this email workflow, or we will call it as the notification workflow maybe, as we are making enhancements to that, along with the support for